Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change payment method in TikTok Shop. It's very easy to do. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Configure your TikTok Shop account. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile page. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner to access the main menu. Select TikTok Shop from the menu options. Follow the instructions to set up your store and provide the necessary details such as your store name, logo, and a brief description of your products. Then step 2. Access payment settings. Once you have set up your TikTok Shop account, you will need to configure your payment methods. On the profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines to display the main menu. Select TikTok Shop and then tap Manage Shop. Scroll down to find the payment settings section and tap it to continue. Step 3. Add and manage payment methods. In the payment settings section, TikTok Shop offers several options for adding and managing payment methods. Connect your Stripe account. TikTok Shop integrates with Stripe, a popular online payment processing platform. If you already have a Stripe account, you can easily connect it to your TikTok Shop by following the on-screen instructions. If you don't already have a Stripe account, you can use TikTok Shop to create one in the app. Tap Connect to Stripe and follow the instructions to set up your Stripe account. Enable credit or debit card payments. TikTok Shop supports credit and debit card payments, providing customers with a convenient way to make purchases in the payment settings. Make sure the credit debit card option is enabled. Activate Apple Pay. If you want to offer Apple Pay as a payment method, you can enable it in TikTok Shop. Apple Pay offers a seamless payment experience for customers using Apple device. Enable Apple Pay in your payment settings to activate it. Active Google Pay. Like Apple Pay, you can also offer Google Pay as a payment method to attract and reduce users. Enable Google Pay in your payment settings to activate it. Additional payment methods. Depending on your location and TikTok's availability, you can have access to additional payment methods such as PayPal or regional payments gateways. Review your payment settings and look for options that match your audience preferences. Step 4. Customize payment options. To improve the shopping experience and give your customers more flexibility, you can customize the payment options in TikTok Shop. Set default payment method. TikTok Shop allows you to set a default payment methods for your store. This will be pre-selected when customers make a purchase, making the process faster and more convenient. In the payment settings, look for default payment method and select your preferred method. Display accepted payment methods. Consider displaying accepted payment methods on your TikTok store profile to let customers know what options are available. This can build trust and increase the likelihood of successful transaction. Include icons or text in your store description or product listing that show supported payment methods. Setting up different payment methods in your TikTok store is an important step in providing customers with a smooth and user-friendly shopping experience. And that's it. That's how you can change payment methods in TikTok Shop.